The excitement is palpable as we approach the highly anticipated launch of the iPhone 16 series. Recently, a thrilling hands on video leak has surfaced, giving us an exclusive look at the new iPhone 16 colors and design features. The video showcases 5 vibrant color options for the iPhone 16, including striking blue, green, white, black, and pink. This departure from the softer hues of previous iPhone models indicates that Apple may be embracing bolder, more vivid colors with this release. The dummy models in the video highlight the external design of the iPhone 16, though they lack internal components. The leaked video also hints at a significant design shift for the iPhone 16. One notable change is the potential move from the frosted glass finish of previous models to a more solid, opaque appearance. This button, seen on the lower right side of the dummy models, is rumored to be a dedicated capture button for photos and videos. The standard iPhone 16 is set to feature a 6.3-inch display, up from the previous 6.1 inches. Gurman suggests that Apple will proceed with the iPhone 16 launch without waiting for these AI advancements, which are expected to roll out in subsequent updates in October. iOS 18.1, expected to debut alongside the iPhone 16, will include some AI improvements, such as enhanced contextual understanding in Siri, automatic movie creation in the Photos app, and advanced writing tools. The iPhone 16 series is shaping up to be an exciting addition to Apple's lineup, with bold new colors, innovative features, and significant design upgrades. The leaks and rumors we've seen so far suggest that Apple is making substantial changes to both the aesthetics and functionality of its flagship devices. As we await the official announcement, what are your thoughts on the new iPhone 16 colors and features? Share your opinions in the comments below and stay tuned for more updates on this exciting release. For the latest news and in-depth coverage on the iPhone 16 series and other tech updates, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We'll keep you informed with the most accurate and up-to-date information. Until next time, take care.